Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn the lesson number 2 from English textbook. The name of lesson is My Grandparents. Now let's revise what we have learned in the previous lesson. Yes, we have learned the poem. The name of poem is My Teacher. And we have learned this poem in last video. And even we have done this exercise, I have given you homework to color this flower. And we have done it in the last video. Now we are going to learn the lesson second, my grandparents. Yes, I know that you may have your grandparents at your home. But what do you mean by grandparents? Grandparents means father's mother or father or mother's mother or fathers. To them we call grandparents. Now, today, see, they have given here the text. Let's read it with me. Today, we will learn about our grandparents, says teacher. Today, Today we will learn about our grandparents, says teacher. Vinay says, I stay with my mother and father. I miss my grandparents. Stuti and Raghav also live in small families. Nikhil lives in a big family. Who all stay with you, Nikhil? Asks teacher. My grandparents, uncle, aunts, and cousins stay with us. We all live together in the same house and share everything with each other, says Nikhil. Okay, this much I have read for you. Now, here is one word they have given us, grandparents. Now, before starting the lesson, just I have explained what is grandparents. And here I have given one word is the families. What is family? Family means our father, mother, grandparents, auntie, aunt, cousins. Those people they live together is called families. Now here is one red word is there. What do you mean by this uncle? Uncle means father's brother. Aunt means your uncle's wife. And cousin means your uncle's children. See, these 4-5 words we have understood today. Now there is one classroom, students are there in the classroom, and in their classroom they are learning about their grandparents. Now teacher she has came in the class and she has introduced that let's students that we are going to learn about our grandparents. The first sentence only has given here for their students. Today we will learn about our grandparents, says teacher. Now, here in your textbook, the family picture is given. Father is here, mother is there, son is here, and daughter is here. This is the small family they have given for your understanding. Now, see, the teacher is introducing to their students that today they are going to learn about grandparents in the class. Now, Vinay says, I stay with my mother and father, and Vinay, a boy is in their class, he is telling that to their teacher that ma'am, I live with my mother and father. I miss my grandparents, and he is telling, he is sharing with his teacher that I am living with my mother and father, but I miss my grandparents very much. Stuti and Raghav also live in small families, and one there have Stuti and Raghav too. One girl is one boy is there in their class. They are telling that they also live in small families. Nikhil lives in a big family, and one boy is there in their class. His name is Nikhil, and he is telling that he lives in big family. Who all stay with you, Nikhil? And Nikhil is living in big family. So teacher asked to Nikhil that how many members? Who is living with you, Nikhil? Nikhil explains. My grandparents, uncle, aunts, and cousins stay with us, and we live together in the same house and share everything with each other, says Nikhil. Now see, this is the family of Nikhil. Grandfather is there, grandmother is there, mother, father is there, uncle, aunt is there, and cousins are there. He is there. See, all this big family lives with Nikhil. Now, for today, we will understand that much. So, students, read it with your parents at your home and write down these red words, highlighted words in your notebook. This will be your homework for today. Thank you.